god, how's the new look? Hey guys, so my dog has decided he's gonna wear this, I don't know what it is, submarine thing, I don't know. Bud, look at me. And I don't know if you can see anything. I guess he enjoys it, I mean. Harry, look at the dog. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at my dog, guys. He just decided to put this like submarine thing, I don't know what it's called, floaties, I don't know, on him, and he doesn't know how to get it off. Look, he's come over to say hello. Hey, Bud, can I, oh. Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh my god, this is so funny. Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay guys, I had to get this on record because I thought it was so funny that my dog does this before it was too late. He can't even see where he's going.
What are you doing, Ben?
Oh, he's peeing. But anyway,
Oh, Katie, he's ripped your ball up.
sorry guys, you had to see that.
Katie, he ripped your ball up.
Oh, come on, I thought he wasn't gonna do that. Alright, see you guys, sorry that you had to see him peeing, but all in all, he's so funny by just putting this thing on his face.
End the lovely video.
So this is Harry on the swing.
It's better this time.
Alright guys,
Alright guys, I'm not finishing this swing yet.
get one more shot of you, yeah?
Bye guys.
Bye!